Father God, as we come to eat this food, I hope you bless this food. I hope it's as nutritious.
Stop. Are you doing like that?
May I pray? Father God, as we come to you, we ask if you can bless the food, is it? Because it is so nutritious looking. I hope it's nice as it look. Bless up to help you out with dinner, my general, and amen.
Amen. I mean, I never ever say it in a pot, but I too old to talk. I used to talking like that, but I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, babe. Sorry for disturbing. But hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, well, I'll be doing a mukbang.
Tell them what we eat.
Featuring my boyfriend. He prepared this meal. So you're gonna see the video before this video where I gave him some instructions to prepare a meal, and this is what he did. So it's cabbage, hold it up.
It's cabbage
with saltfish. Ma'am,
I'm sorry.
You made a mess.
Shoot. Alright, I'm gonna start that. I want to tell you more about it.
Alright, so it's cabbage, saltfish with carrot. So basically vegetables with saltfish, saltfish, dumpling, yam, and banana. So yeah.
What are we going to talk about though? I mean, one of Iandra mukbangs feels so good.
Welcome.
Thank you. A blessed energy, my love.
Alright, so I did a mukbang with him. We did eat nuggets, right?
And
we
nuggets them. But somebody said could have used bus dog in.
Before we relocate, and I know I must say a different background. Thanks to everybody who reach out to me and I say it's gonna be alright, the place is not bad, and you're gonna love it, and I appreciate all of those messages. I'm replying to everybody who messaging about it, every single body. So I relocate and I'm loving it here. The place is very spacious, clean, and organized. Me organized the whole thing. Me and Jason did the living area, I did everywhere else, and I just love it. And last night my love cried. Stay with me. I felt so emotional because before we go to bed, like me go through the house and ensure that the lights turn on outside and the light them turn off in the house. And me just did a look around and me I say, oh my god, like me feel so proud. I mean, in a day where we wanted to reach as it, but I'm so grateful. Like me thankful right now, because even though me I look, me I say, whoa, we life literally come together, you know, little by little. So I just want to tell everybody, say, you don't have to rush, you don't have to feel pressured when I see people do them this. People spend like how them earn. That's a one thing to always remember. If you earn it, spend it. If you want to spend it, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. If you know you earn a little bit, no go out your way just because somebody with them bashy stuff figure get it too, right? And I just admire how much we just sit down and we talk over stuff and we write. Guys, youth, me learn this from Jason. I'm not gonna preach it like a me say if you do it at Jason, me learn it from. Use up on the notes. So when you get in on the phone, it is not there because it fitted there. Some people delete it when they want to get space. Do not delete it. Use it. Write down the stuff them. Write down my to-do list. Just write. Even if you want to quote and you go somewhere and you hear somebody say something, want to write it. If you don't want to post it at a later date, just write. Because in our notes, like just one well organized. My one kind of all over the place because we made it my one all over the place. But we stuff them in with to-do list. Like me we window shop and I say, alright, me need one rug. I'm go look how much feet. I'm go home and my budget and I go back on my to-do list and I say, alright, we need the rug. And that is how you do stuff. You don't need to rush. But not to stray too much from the topic. Me did a look around and me just feel grateful and me just feel so emotional. And we did a house on for so long. And we just did a house on for so long and then this just come true for everybody where I asked. I'm in Kingston. So yeah. And I love it here. And the place is very nice. The house is lovely. we did our best to make it look alright. We can't stop look around. You know, what we want it for them, we see some stuff, we need some space. That is what I love. I love the space. So when you pass and see it empty, you say, you know what? I work for something good. You say, you understand? But yeah, I am super happy. I'm happy bad. And this place is very quiet. And I love it. I don't hear nobody. This morning I hear one caca crow.
Yeah.
I felt so good. But I love it here. And for everybody who call me and cry baby because I did get emotional, so I leave my mother. Like, I don't understand. I'm not going to attempt to explain it again. I just the relationship between me and my mother. So yeah, I'm happy and I'm comfortable. I'm sleep good, not saying I never did I sleep good when I did that before. Because the house there, I can never stop like be thankful because the house they make me realize that yo, we need to move up. We need to stuff them. If we still did it, like the space would have did it, if we put in nothing in there, we would have just sit down and have the money and then spend it. That happened to us several times. We have the money like, alright, this needs to come in at the house and we have it, and then money just take time, leave.
True.
So no, when we see the space, we just go out there and get it. You know, we see the stuff that we want whenever we have the money like that. But I'm just thankful.
For me, I am just so happy that you are happy because your happiness matters a lot to me. And nobody say, oh, but actually your happiness matters a lot to me. I could have basically been like in a one room to myself and be alright. You know,
true.
Not saying you couldn't be, it's just that I'm not saying you're fussy either, but me just not fussy over nothing.
And it's not matter about fussy. People always are saying, let me not touch that topic. But when me I look upon is, I mean males will take pride in themselves too. But probably if me and Jason never did together, him probably wouldn't even push to get a, you know, a 2-bedroom, a 1-bedroom with living area. Him would have pushed to get it. Him would have gone in and probably want 1 room and know that I feel him.
Not really, you know.
Well,
not really, you know. I wouldn't have push like for certain stuff, but I definitely have push for house space because I have that idea.
I mean, you would have pushed for house space, but if you could get it, you would have settled for the 1 room then we been did I get.
Yeah, that's it.
Because we did I get 1 rooms and me I say like 1 room with just kitchen and bathroom. And me I said no sir, we did desperate, but me I said no, because me I'm a family person and me loving bad. Like if you call me and say Iandra, me can come over. I mean it's not good for to trust, but if you want people to trust, you have to learn to trust sometimes. You have to cut people some slack and get to know how them really stay, because you see when you have the anointing on you, people feel like them can try but them can't really try.
True.
So me normally trust people so them can trust me, right? Me not sit down and I say, what if she come here or him come here and he do that? No, what if that did sucker? When people believe in a God and pray, nobody can fast with them. Me not busy with nobody out there do whatever they want to do. I am not a troublemaker. Me not walk and trouble people. Me not talk bad about people. I stay by myself. Not saying me not say things can happen, no things will happen, but me not have no problem for nobody come around me. I'm like that. Me we cook and get your food. I'm not judgmental. All if me know say you like me, eat and full your belly and go and call it a day. Feel like you eat me out. I do not care. You come here, eat your food, and when you sit down and I think 100, when you come here and I look around and I look around, me no business. Look, you're there for a reason. Look if you want to look. So as me say, me like when people come around me, and on my side there's more love than hate. I can't even lie. Me always a look. Even on my YouTube channel, there's a lot of love, and me appreciate it for the people that ever text me and a check up on me. Like me really love them stuff there. I mean, I normally ignore people who do that to me. There's I get a lot of love, and me emotional bad sometimes. Me really I look at me and say. Because at one point, me I say, me never did want to be one YouTuber. But then me I look at my personality and me I say, yes. With my personality, people always text me and I say, talk to me now, do video, encourage young people. Like this girl reached out to me and I felt so emotional. She said, you just have something women have, like, I mean, I say, what I have, we have, and she say, the courage, the this, the that. I mean, I say, you have it, you know, you have it. You just need to find yourself, be true to yourself, be happy, not make people happiness be a bother to you. Like when I see people are be happy for them too. Because while you did there, I kill yourself and I say, boy, I can't get this done and I can't get that done. You don't know what people out there do forget for them stuff done. Humble yourself and know say you're in your lane and you do your little thing and you're patient, but what you do, just work hard for whatever you want. I just believe in that. If you want it, you work hard for it. And even if it take 1 million here to come, it will come and you're going to enjoy it. May I tell you?
True, man.
So yeah, I'm happy and I'm comfortable. I mean, I don't want to live in a dark like that. Yes, me relocate. Me and my boyfriend alone live. And I love this house, as I said. The area is very nice and quiet. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. So you happy too?
Yeah, me happy.
I just admire how much you love me. Like, me really admire that. Me admire. Me I say, boy, you're young. Me young too. Me younger, but me I say you're young and you show me so much love and you put yourself, you put me before you. God know, him do that a lot. And me just love them stuff there. Who would love it anyways? But yeah. Yeah, anything you want to say? Because I know I'm not touch my food.
I just want to say, I'm enjoying this food that I prepared. I never knew I could make it, and finally I made it, you know. So I just want to big up my baby mother, my auntie, my uncle. And you may talk baby mother. That's what I make. But really though, the food tastes fire. I remember when mukbang we had this so. Meanwhile, I thought somebody has to keep consuming, and I've been doing just that. But I'm glad the people them reach out to you and talk to you and encourage you, because that is necessary. We all need that. Enough time I did it and feel like I want to give up on YouTube, and one text come in and say, yo dog, you motivate me to even start. Then me just nobody feel so, you know, down again and just push on. So the more encouragement you get, it's sweet in labor. I just hope you really push out and just don't depend on me if you push you out, you just go out.
True.
You know? Not saying you depend on me, just I say I just want you to, you know, have that little.
No. Because one, I can be very lackadaisical. I mean, when you see it several times and it's not a good thing. So I'm happy to say this. Sometimes I can be very laid back. Make me get emotional now or anything. Me just one day in my corner by myself and I realize that sometimes to rest and be by yourself is very good. But you see, one time you know you're burdening them behind you, there's no way you can enjoy doing that. People always say you work, you just always at work, sit down and rest. Like when we move in, I say no man, go sleep. Me in the house I fix up 1 or 2 things, because you see when you know, when you burn them on your back, you know exactly how to manage your time. True. But yeah, I just try to be conscious as possible. I mean, sometimes I feel away so I can't really reason with 122. Well, most of my friends them were 22 or 23, because them probably feel like me too old, because me invest in a stuff what make me happy and comfortable in my home. Honestly, that's how me put first, and then after me invest in a, like my ear products to make my hair smell good and my body smell good. Those are the stuff that I like. People always say, what you really do? Like, what you do with your money and all of that? So yeah, I'm telling them, my love, like when I go and buy teddy bear, I will buy curtain, runner. I just to tell you, sometimes I go out for just get like one brush and I come in with a runner, bathroom mat. We come in with so many stuff. That is me. That is what I love to do. And the best part about life is y'all can sit there and say whatever you want to say, because if you don't realize by now, say you write your own storybook, I don't know when you're gonna realize you're in control of your own life. You write a story just like how you want to tell your kids and you want to tell somebody else. And this is how I want to relay all my stories to my kids. So yeah. That's how me love. Me love one time me come home and you pull it down, you smell a fresh scent there. And your food you cook and come up in a pot.
You know?
And your bathroom fresh. Because right now our bathroom smells so good and clean. And them the stuff them me like. So for everybody out there a party, enjoy on yourself, because if that is what you like, that is what you really like. Don't make people come to you and tell us say you party too much. When we say to you too in about it, I eat you like, I eat you like. You have to know how you monitor yourself. As I say, spend what you earn. If you know say you earn something you can squeeze to go on party, go on to your party, girl. Like you earn you hustle your money. And that me hear with people who are so judgmental. If you see somebody a party, leave them at them party, because although someone who really full like go a party and brag out and all on the money and have nothing. But sometimes people really go a party when them have them spare money. Go party. So if you stop be like, what you gonna go party? And you know, no, leave them, make them go party. For them money, for them life. So yeah, me chat a lot and I want to eat. And you look at me like that.
No, but I listen to you, it's so interesting, you know.
So yeah.
I enjoy the food though. This is like the first mukbang I see where somebody hasn't done eating in like the first 5 minutes.
I'm excited.
Excited for what's to come?
I'm trying to throw.
You have a cry now? It's okay to cry.
For all of the young people them out there where try to make it in a life, buy on a bed.
For real?
No, seriously, buy on a bed. Once you have on a bed, that is a start. Because when you have your bed and you see say your bed lonely, you go on one dresser. When you want one dresser, you can say, geez, you know, so dresser would look good beside one chest of a drawer. And when you have your chest of drawer, so you continue and build by yourself. But please just buy a bed. Buy a bed anywhere you move go. You know, they sleep on the floor. You don't have to catch no pneumonia. You don't have to catch no asthma. Just buy a bed. And then after you buy a fridge, you buy a little stove. You don't need everything. You don't need a big fancy dandy, you know. Just buy your stuff them where gonna make you feel comfortable. Even if you're Indian man, you go buy your things there.
But the Indian man them sell good furniture to man.
True.
Enjoy food, man. How is it, by the way?
Good.
Oh.
I really
How
love
make the
it.
food?
You home?
Oh, I just want to have that part.
What are you ask?
No, because I just can't believe, you know. I can't believe I met that comment. I was just want to make that for you. And see.
Like I said, I help you to make this stuff. Not help, teach you how to make stuff, because I don't know about one, but I don't feel good for no say me like look for you with editing. Just can edit good. Me can't really edit. I just know what him teach me. And I know I'm not feel good for no say me alone can edit, because I know he want to ask me to. So just like with food, I help him to cook, because boy, I'm not selfish with my knowledge, because I never did have it. So yeah. So for people out there who know stuff and really know how to help, like you're selfish and you're really selfish, because all of this make for all of it.
All of it. Facts. Remember me buy a knife, you know, so for real we shouldn't even use finger.
Sure.
We have a bag.
Let me keep on squeezing a knife. It's out with my finger.
Nah, cut it. So good to see you eating and having fun, you know.
It's good.
Make your wet though. It's so reach your man, just wait. See you wet now. Can't talk.
So yeah.
What? Are you there to joke? You there to joke? See, you couldn't tell me, baby, you never did side of me. Wicked up, woman, wicked up.
Thanks for the support, guys. Can't forget for telling you thanks. I almost reached 6K subscribers.
Ooh.
Yeah. When I can't make me wait suffocate before my birthday. That is what I want.
They have to know your birthday.
February the 10th. The 10th of February. The 10th day of February. 2020.
Okay.
But yeah, I really want to reach 7K. Please. Please. I really want to reach it. Thanks for the support. And me record on the seat. Me try. Right now, currently we don't have no Wi-Fi because they're gonna come and reconnect the stuff them in the house to get it. But yeah, I really want to reach there. And I'm accepting birthday gifts.
Tell him when him send enough flowers.
Guys, send me flowers.
Make sure you have some of butter as well.
Except for the meals that may accept flowers.
Jade, girl, you need me attack.
I accept flowers because I'm gonna put them in a water. Let me tell them one more for birthday.
And then I talk to them.
I want car.
Talk to them.
I want car.
And then I talk to them.
A joke.
No,
But bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thanks for the support. Cut the camera.